What's up, everyone? Corey Parks here with HydroHelp911. We're here on a project that we did in Morganton, North Carolina, and wanted to give you a real testimonial from the homeowners of what their experience was with our company, the good, the bad, the ugly. We wanted you to hear it firsthand. First off, thank y'all for doing a video, being willing to do a video. How was your experience with us just overall from a 1,000-foot view down?
Fantastic. One of the things that we like best about your company and you and all the people who have worked for you, your communication skills are better than any other contractor I would say that we've ever worked with. In my business, it's not about running from problems, it's when a problem happens, how do you deal with it? And when you're dealing with construction, especially on an old house like what we have, you know that there are going to be unforeseen issues, and you people were on point to talk to us, communicate if you ran into a problem, how to resolve the problem, if you couldn't be there one day, or when you were going to show up, and so we love that.
Awesome. So talking about them unforeseen issues, one of the things I feel is important is people hear the good side, but they also hear the bad side. So there was some speed bumps throughout this project, this large project, and overall, working through them speed bumps, other than the communication, was everything else on par with y'all's expectations?
Yes, absolutely.
Awesome. And where did y'all hear about us from?
You have to ask you, where did you?
It was the structural engineer that we hired.
That's right. Jeremy, structural engineer. Would y'all be willing to recommend us to friends, family, neighbors?
100%. I would be doing a video if I wasn't. I mean,
Awesome.
I said to
that...
Anthony, let's go on Google or Yelp or whatever and make sure everyone knows that we would hire you in a heartbeat again.
Awesome.
They'll recommend you.
Awesome. Well, definitely appreciate y'all shooting a video with us. We'll still take that review on Google. Other than that, that's quick, simple, and I appreciate y'all's time.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.